Top 8 incredible flying cars that are changing the future of transportation. From China to the United States, real engineers are building real flying cars. Not for the next century, but for this one. For over 100 years, cars have ruled the ground. They shaped our cities, defined our lives, and chained us to traffic. But now, a new race has begun. A race to conquer the air above us. These are the top 8 incredible flying cars changing how humanity moves. The machines turning science fiction into reality. 8. EHang VT30, China. Our journey begins in China, the epicenter of futuristic urban transport. Meet the EHang VT30, the country's first long-range passenger drone, designed to carry 2 people safely across the skies. It uses multiple electric propellers to lift and cruise with incredible precision, and it's fully autonomous. No pilot, no cockpit. Top speed, 170 kilometers per hour. Range, 300 kilometers on a single charge. Imagine calling it like a taxi, tapping your destination and lifting off in seconds. EHang envisions entire cities connected by sky corridors, transforming traffic jams into seamless, silent air travel. But while this one aims to connect cities, the next brings flight directly to your neighborhood. 7. Xpeng X2, China. If the VT30 connects cities, the Xpeng X2 brings flight closer to home. Built by Xpeng Aero HT, this sleek carbon fiber aircraft can switch from car mode to flight mode with a single command. Powered by 8 electric motors, it cruises at 130 kilometers per hour for about 35 minutes, quietly and cleanly through urban skies. It's designed for anyone to fly, not just professional pilots, thanks to its intelligent flight control system and built-in safety features. Xpeng's vision is a daily commute where your garage becomes your personal launch pad. But while China leads the way, another country is making personal flight even more accessible. 6. Jetson 1, Sweden. Picture yourself lifting off from your backyard, wind rushing past as you rise above the trees. That's the Jetson 1, a single-seat electric aircraft from Sweden that anyone can learn to fly. Made from carbon fiber and aluminum, it's lightweight, intuitive, and controlled by a simple joystick. Top speed, 102 kilometers per hour. Flight time, around 20 minutes. Compact enough to fit in a pickup truck and safe enough to fly without a license in many regions. The Jetson 1 is built to make everyone a pilot. It's personal, thrilling, and a glimpse into how freedom of movement will feel in the air. But if you think that's revolutionary, number 5 takes things to a whole new level. 5. Klein Vision Aircar, Slovakia. Imagine turning the key of your car, and the road disappears beneath you. That's not a dream. That's the Klein Vision Aircar from Slovakia. It's both a certified road car and a licensed aircraft, powered by a BMW engine. In seconds, its wings unfold and the tail extends, transforming it into a sleek airplane. Top speed, 190 kilometers per hour. Range, nearly 1,000 kilometers. In 2021, it completed a historic flight between 2 cities, a real journey from Nitra to Bratislava. This isn't a prototype, it's a car that actually flies. But not every flying car looks like a plane. Some combine the feeling of a sports car with the freedom of the skies. 4. PAL V Liberty, Netherlands. The PAL V Liberty blends Dutch engineering with aviation heritage. At first glance, it's a sporty 3-wheeled car, but with a few adjustments, it becomes a gyrocopter capable of flying up to 400 kilometers per tank. Top airspeed, 180 kilometers per hour. Seats, 2 passengers. It runs on regular unleaded fuel. You can fill it up at a normal gas station before takeoff. It's already road approved in Europe, making it the first commercially viable flying car on the market. Each invention brings us closer to freedom, but number 3 looks like it drove straight out of the future. 3. Aleph Model A, USA. From the heart of Silicon Valley comes the Aleph Model A, an electric car that doesn't just take off vertically. It redefines what a car can be. It looks like a sleek sports coupe, but its entire body rotates to lift off the ground and transition into flight. Road range, 320 kilometers. Air range, 177 kilometers. In 2023, It became the first flying car approved by the FAA for test flights in the United States. Aleph isn't a concept. It's certified, real, and redefining personal mobility. And if that feels futuristic, number 2 pushes the boundaries even further. 2. Lilium Jet, Germany. The Lilium Jet, built in Germany, looks like something straight from the year 2050. Powered by 36 electric ducted fans, it takes off vertically like a helicopter and cruises like a jet. Top speed, 300 kilometers per hour. Range, 250 kilometers. Capacity, up to 7 passengers. Its flight is nearly silent. You hear the wind, not the engine. Designed for regional travel, Lilium aims to connect major cities in under an hour, offering a clean, quiet alternative to traditional air travel. It's not just a flying car. It's a flying revolution. Still, number 1 is already turning that revolution into reality. 1. Aska A5, USA. Developed in California, the Aska A5 is a masterpiece of modern engineering. Part car, part aircraft, and entirely real. It drives like an SUV, then transforms into a vertical takeoff vehicle in seconds. Top speed, 240 kilometers per hour. Range, 400 kilometers. Seats, 4 passengers. It charges in just 30 minutes, fits inside a standard garage, and most importantly, it's FAA certified for real flight tests. The Aska A5 has already gained airworthiness certification, making it one of the first true flying cars available for purchase. Each step of progress pushes the limits of what a car can be, until the line between road and sky completely disappears. Future section. By 2035, our skies could glow with silent highways of light, streams of flying cars gliding between rooftops. The skyline will pulse with motion, turning cities into living, breathing ecosystems of flight. Commuters will lift off from balconies, cross entire towns in minutes, and land quietly near their destinations. No traffic, no emissions, just pure motion. The dream of personal flight, once trapped in comic books, is becoming an everyday reality. The sky is no longer a ceiling. It's the next frontier. We're standing at the dawn of a new age of mobility, one that lifts humanity beyond the limits of the road. The future of transportation isn't on the ground anymore. It's in the skies. Which of these flying cars would you fly first? Tell us in the comments. And if you believe in the power of innovation, like, subscribe, and join us as we explore the incredible technologies shaping tomorrow's world. Because tomorrow is already airborne.